Hi, my name is Harrison Goodall and I'm with BreakOut Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you a chest routine that you can do at home with no weights and no gym necessary. A lot of people think it's necessary to go to the gym and do the heavy bench press to get a defined chest, and that is not always the case. So follow along wherever you're at. There will be moves in here or modifications of these moves that work for you. So regardless of your level, I hope you'll jump in and join us. So you might remember that Rachel, in one of her videos on functional movement, which I recommend you watch before this one, talked about the act of pushing as one of the 5 essential functional movements. So we're going to use that to work our chest, pushing our body weight up and down. First of all, starting in the simplest motion, which is a push-up. So we're going to come into a wide stance with our arms, and I'm going to suck the navel into the spine, and I'm just going to take 12 push-ups here. So my hands are outside of my shoulders by about a fist length. I'm going to come down and up, and I'm going to take 12 repetitions here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and hold. Keep holding with me here, and notice that as I do my push-ups, I'm going my chest towards the ground, not my head. So I'm going chest towards the ground and coming back up. All right, and release. Push forward and back, and we're going to take another round of 12 of those, coming right back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Coming to sit back on here, rolling it out, shake it out for a second. Probably just warming up for you today, so take a second to roll your shoulders back, hug yourself, take a stretch here. I recommend doing a little bit of a warm up before you jump into this activity. All right, and for our third round, we're gonna take a modified version. So we're gonna go 3 seconds down, a 3-second hold, and 3 seconds up. If you need to take this on your knees, go for it. Better to do it modified than to not do it at all. So 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3 more. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Pushing back. And take a second of rest here. So with any workout, we can make it harder by taking holds like we were just doing, where you either hold at the top or at the bottom, and by slowing it down. Another good modification you can try at home is a slow down and then explode up. All right, so that's another modification. Maybe take 3, or no, more than 3, maybe 10 of those. All right, and coming back. So I'm gonna move on, but if this is your sole workout for the day, I would recommend repeating that sequence. All right, so next, we're gonna introduce the dive bomber push-up. So I'm gonna come into a V shape, and I'm gonna bring my chest towards the ground, and then push up, like I'm going underneath a fence, and I'm gonna slide my body back the same way I came. Let's take 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, holding, and coming through, pushing in this modified up dog position so my toes are tucked, and take some Dips here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So I really like to superset the dive bomber push-up with this arch back push-up. It's a little strange, but I really feel it in this lower part of the pec. Maybe personal preference, so if it doesn't feel good for you, by all means, don't do it. So I'm gonna do one more set of those. I recommend once again that if this is your sole workout for the day, do this set with me, take a rest, pause the video, and then repeat 1 to 2 more sets of those. All right, coming back up, pushing back into the dive bomber, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold here, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. So for those weird arch push-ups, I'm just lowering until my hips touch the ground and out. All right, and so I'm really just thinking about squeezing through the muscles of my chest to come up and down for that. All right, take a small breather here. Maybe roll out your wrists, put them on the ground, and sit back on your heels to stretch out the forearms. Just a few more exercises ahead of us here. So, we're gonna turn our hands out to the side. And we're just gonna take 10 push-ups with our hands out to the side. So, I wanna introduce the maximum amount of exercise I can here. So I'm gonna do 1 set of each of the subsequent exercises, so this video isn't 30 minutes long. But like I said, pause, repeat. All right, I like to do about 3 sets of 12 if I'm staying nice, slow, and controlled. I know you can probably do more. The purpose of sticking to 12 is so that I'm getting nice, full, controlled repetitions. All right, so hands out to the side, and then elbows squeezing and up. We'll do 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really like those because I start to feel those a bit more in my shoulders, and with that squeezing motion you get some extra tricep action there. All right, so check it out. You might be starting to sweat like I am. All good, releasing our body of those toxins. So now for the next exercise, we're gonna lower our chest to about 3 inches off the ground, and we're gonna sway over to the right, and then over to the left, back to center, and up. So I'm gonna face you for this one so you can see the motion my chest is having. So we're gonna take that wide arm stance, and down, to the right, to the left, center, up. 5 more. Right, left, center, up. Down, right, left, center, up. 4. Right, left, center, up. 3. Down, right, left, center, up. 2 more. 2. Up. And 1 more. Right, left, center, up, and release. I really like those for obvious reasons. They're really, you feel the pump. All right, so shake it out, and we're gonna go into 1 or 2 last exercises. The purpose of these, we're gonna do a modification of flies. So the fly exercises are usually these ones you do at the gym. So we're gonna do push-up step outs to get some similar action on the outsides of our pecs, and then we're gonna finish with some jumping jacks in a push-up position to not only hit our chest one last time, make sure we're nice and tired, but get our heart rates nice and up. All right, so For the push-up jacks, or no, for the fly modification, we're gonna step out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and keep going here. If you have a medicine ball, you can use it by putting it underneath the arm that's out. You do a push-up, then you roll it across, catch it underneath your other arm, push up, roll it across again. Few more. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out if you made it to this point in the video. Thanks for sticking with us and great job. And hopefully you're pausing and repeating some of these in hopes of being just a little bit sore tomorrow. All right, so our last exercise we're gonna take is a push-up jack. So, this is my least favorite, but we do them for a reason, right? So we're only gonna do 10, but I would definitely recommend either supersetting these with the fly step outs or repeating, all right? So you're going to become in a normal push-up position. You're gonna jump your hands and feet out to down and push up to in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Thank you for watching with us. Woo! I'm nice and sweaty. If you have any questions, please post below or shoot us an email at BreakoutStudiosTucson.com or at gmail.com. We're here for any tutorials. Subscribe for the latest updates, and thank you for watching. Whew, well, thank you for watching. I know I'm nice and sweaty after that. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below or feel free to email us at BreakoutStudiosTucson@gmail.com with any questions or recommendations for videos that you might have that you want to see. Or come visit our studios here in Tucson, Arizona, off Speedway Boulevard. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for our latest posts and fitness tutorials. Have a great day.